Hey, you're thinking about moving to Fort Worth and surrounding areas? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you to the neighborhood of Factory Place, and we're going to show you 3 different homes at 3 different price points. And then if you stick with me to the very end, I'm going to also hook you up with a hidden gem in this neighborhood. You're not going to want to miss it. It is so cool. Okay, come on, let's do it. Hi there everybody, I'm Julia Duffy and I'm with Compass Realty right here in my sweet cow town of Fort Worth, Texas. And me and my team are embedded like no other in the DFW Metroplex. And we love helping people just like you doing smooth moves either across the city, across the Metroplex, or coming in from out of state. This is our specialty. If you're moving in 1 day or if you're moving in 100 days, it doesn't matter. We're on your timetable. You tell us what we're gonna do. Alrighty, let us know. Email us, send us a text, or give us a call. Any method of communication that you want to do, we're here to help. And I look forward, it's gonna be my honor to help you move. Welcome to this video where we are tackling the neighborhood of Factory Place. And this is a very unique and cute little nookie kind of neighborhood that's kind of tucked away. It's a little bit bigger than you think because it was a former industrial area and housing for a lot of the factories that used to be around here at the early 20th century. So, and I'll explain more about that later. But anyway, this, we're starting low. You know what we do? We go to the 3 price points. This price point, and I'm about to turn around so you can see it, is just a cute house. It's going for $270,000. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and the square footage is 1194, which rounds out to about $226 per square foot. Now, this is a 1948 build, so that's about the era of this neighborhood. But the fun part about this is everybody's coming in here and renovating. And they started revitalizing this neighborhood after there was a decline of several decades when Fort Worth went through some growing pains. You know, some factories closed, some factories opened, consolidation, you know how all that goes. So, bit of a decline, but they brought this back like right around the year 2000. So they have been really restoring and renovating all of these cool homes in this area. So again, this is house number 1. It is going for $270,000. That's a great steal for anybody that's looking. And it's been renovated, so it's really not technically an investor property, even though an investor could come in here and do that as well if you want to. But that's the deal, 2-1 and 1194 square feet, $226 per square foot. And that is about it for now. We'll talk about schools, talk a little bit more about the neighborhood and what's going on. Stay with me, hang in there. I've got 2 more houses and I got a hidden gem. Oh my goodness. See you there. Stop number 2. Alrighty. So, oh man, I love this old neighborhood. It is so much fun. This is a 1940 build. This is going for $475, down from $480. It's 1484 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, $320 per square foot. Like I said, a 1940 build. Now this is cool. It's been really renovated on the inside. I took a look. It's very cute, and it's got a very nice cathedral ceiling going on in there. So get your high ceiling on, which I personally love. You'll see the architecture as we go along here, and how renovation has happened. You know, there's some craftsmen. Now another kind of interesting detail, there's a lot of loft situations down here. Sadly, I don't have one to show you today, so they're all taken right now, but that could change at any given moment. In fact, I'm going to do another future video that's just on loft living. Like there's downtown stuff, but this stuff here, the loft in this area, loft living is really cool. It attracts a lot of artists, a lot of young professionals. So that's kind of the vibe. There's a whole community situation that's very artistically, that wraps around the arts. And we're really close to, within walking distance to the cultural district. And I have a hidden gym in there. If you hang in there, you also can walk to Dickey's, you can walk to other places. So have no fear, you can ditch your car for a while, all right? So here we go, $475, just to repeat, 1484 square feet, 2.2, 320 a square foot, and 1940 build. And I will see you at the next stop, babies. So hey, if you're new to the channel, just subscribe below, tap that button, that notification bell, and you're gonna be the first person that gets all the happenings, all the buy-ins, all the sell-ins, everything you've ever wanted to know about moving into Fort Worth and surrounding areas, okay? Here we are at stop number 3, everybody. And I love this house so much. This is the 3rd stop. We are coming in at $599,000, 2078 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. And that rounds out to about 288, I believe it is, per square foot. Now, this is a 1940 build. So again, keeping in the theme of, we're talking about the 40s. Everybody's coming in here and renovating. It is awesome. This is a very serene neighborhood. So you're kind of getting the access to urban. You know, you've got like Dickey's, you've got like the cultural district, you've got shopping, all of that good stuff. Hi. Thank you, sir. That's a cop, neighborhood cop. So let me go back. See, even the police are fun. So you're getting the serenity of this street in this neighborhood with also the access to suburbia. The serenity of suburbia with the access to the urban. Walking accessibility, just centrally located, all of that good stuff, okay? I am on my way to the hidden gym and I want you to stick with me and I'll see you there. Okay, everybody, we are at my hidden gym for the Factory Place neighborhood. I told you it was centrally located to the cultural district. Well, this is one of my favorite museums. This is the Modern Art Museum of Fort Worth, everybody. And you know, how would you even think that we would have such cool stuff in Fort Worth, Texas? Well, Fort Worth, this is as its place on the map. We're not that far from, we're civilized. What can I tell you? And I think we're a little bit more civilized than Dallas, but I'll bring that up in another video. Anyway, this hidden gym is awesome. So they have, like, of course, revolving collections. I mean, there's stuff in there from Picasso, Andy Warhol, Pollock. That's Jackson Pollock, not Sidney Pollock. Don't get them confused. And there's lots and lots of stuff going on. They've got a gorgeous reflecting pool. You can eat at the Cafe Modern inside, which is a wonderful place for lunch and brunch. Their brunch is like spectacular. And you can, again, zone out, look at the reflecting pool is part of the museum and part of the art of the museum as well. Lots of educational programs that they've got, a lot of family-friendly stuff. They even have happy hours, if I recall, screenings. So there's just constant activity. There is constant outreach to the community, serving the community. Just everything that a good, solid, well-funded museum should have. And I love the fact that it's contemporary and it's modern, and it's just fun. And you need to get here and come and see our museums. Again, I'm going to do an entire video just on our museums because we are really kind of renowned for it. That's it. That's a hidden gem. You can see the 3 houses that you want to, and just let me know. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.